Homeowners insurance and property protection are essential components of homeownership, providing financial security against unexpected events such as natural disasters, theft, and liability claims. A homeowner's insurance policy helps cover the cost of repairing or rebuilding a home, replacing personal belongings, and protecting against legal and medical expenses in case of accidents on the property. Understanding the coverage options, policy types, and factors influencing insurance premiums allows homeowners to make informed decisions about their protection needs. A standard homeowner's insurance policy consists of several coverage components. Dwelling coverage protects the physical structure of the home, including the roof, walls, floors, and built-in appliances. This coverage applies to damage caused by covered perils such as fire, windstorms, hail, lightning, vandalism, and some types of water damage. If a home is destroyed or severely damaged, dwelling coverage helps pay for repairs or rebuilding up to the policy limits. Other structures coverage applies to detached structures on the property such as garages, sheds, fences, and guest houses, providing financial protection against the same covered perils. Personal property coverage protects a homeowner's belongings, including furniture, electronics, clothing, and appliances. If these items are stolen, damaged, or destroyed by a covered peril, the insurance company reimburses the homeowner based on the policy's terms. Policies may offer either replacement cost coverage, which pays to replace items at their current market value, or actual cash value coverage, which considers depreciation. Homeowners with valuable possessions such as jewelry, artwork, or collectibles may need to purchase additional riders or endorsements to ensure full protection. Liability protection is another key component of homeowners insurance. It covers legal expenses and medical costs if someone is injured on the homeowner's property, or if the homeowner is found responsible for causing damage to another person's property. Liability coverage extends beyond the home and can include incidents such as a pet causing injury or a homeowner accidentally damaging a neighbor's property. Most policies offer at least $100,000 in liability protection, but higher coverage limits are available for added security. Homeowners concerned about significant liability risks can purchase an umbrella insurance policy, which provides additional liability coverage beyond the standard policy limits. Additional living expenses, or AL coverage, also known as loss of use coverage, helps pay for temporary living costs. If a home becomes uninhabitable due to a covered event, this coverage includes expenses such as hotel stays, restaurant meals, and rental costs, while the home is being repaired or rebuilt. AL coverage ensures that homeowners do not face financial hardship while waiting for their property to be restored. The cost of homeowners insurance varies based on several factors, including the home's location, construction materials, age, and condition. Homes in areas prone to natural disasters such as hurricanes, earthquakes, or wildfires may have higher insurance premiums due to increased risks. Insurers also consider the home security features such as smoke detectors, burglar alarms, and fire-resistant materials, which can lower premiums by reducing the likelihood of damage or theft. A homeowner's credit score and claims history also influence insurance rates. Insurers use credit-based insurance scores to assess the risk of potential claims, and homeowners with higher credit scores often receive lower premiums. Filing multiple claims within a short period can lead to higher rates or policy non-renewal, so homeowners should carefully consider whether to file claims for minor damages. There are different types of homeowners insurance policies, each offering varying levels of protection. HO1 policies provide basic coverage for named perils such as fire, lightning, windstorms, and theft, but exclude many common risks, making them less comprehensive. HO2 policies expand coverage to include additional perils such as falling objects, freezing pipes, and accidental water damage. HO3 policies are the most common type of homeowners insurance, offering broad protection for the home against all risks except those specifically excluded in the policy. Personal property in HO3 policies is covered on a named peril basis, meaning only listed events are covered for renters. HO4 policies or renters insurance provide coverage for personal belongings and liability protection, but do not cover the physical structure of the rental property, which is the landlord's responsibility. HO5 policies offer the most extensive coverage, providing open peril protection for both the home and personal property, making them ideal for high-value homes. HO6 policies are designed for condo owners and cover personal property, interior walls, and liability, but do not extend to the building's exterior, which is covered by the condo association's master policy. HO7 policies apply to mobile or manufactured homes, while HO8 policies are tailored for older homes that may not meet standard underwriting requirements. Homeowners should review their policies regularly to ensure they have adequate coverage. Replacement cost coverage is preferable to actual cash value coverage, as it ensures full reimbursement for rebuilding costs without depreciation deductions. Policyholders should also verify that their coverage limits reflect the current market value of their home and possessions, making adjustments as needed. Flood and earthquake damage are not covered under standard homeowners insurance policies and require separate policies. Flood insurance is available through the National Flood Insurance Program or NFIP, and private insurers protecting against water damage caused by rising water levels. Earthquake insurance covers structural damage and personal property loss resulting from seismic activity. Homeowners in high-risk areas should consider purchasing these additional policies to avoid financial losses from uncovered disasters. Bundling homeowners insurance with auto or other policies can lead to discounts, helping homeowners save on premiums. Many insurers also offer discounts for security upgrades, loyalty programs, and claims. Free histories comparing quotes from multiple insurers ensures that homeowners receive the best rates and coverage options. Homeowners insurance also extends to home-based businesses, while a standard policy provides some coverage for business equipment. Homeowners operating a business from their home should consider business insurance endorsements or separate policies for additional protection. Filing a homeowner's insurance claim involves several steps. After experiencing a covered loss, the homeowner should document the damage with photos or videos and notify their insurance company as soon as possible. An insurance adjuster will assess the damage, determine coverage eligibility, and estimate repair costs. If the claim is approved, the insurer will issue payment based on the policy's terms. Homeowners should keep records of all communications receipts and repair expenses to facilitate the claims process. Understanding policy exclusions and limitations is crucial. Common exclusions include wear and tear neglect, pest infestations, and intentional damage. Some policies also limit coverage for high-value items such as jewelry, fine art, and collectibles, requiring additional endorsements for full protection. Reviewing policy exclusions ensures that homeowners are aware of potential gaps in coverage. Mortgage lenders require homeowners insurance as a condition of the loan. Lenders typically mandate coverage equal to the home's replacement cost to protect their financial interest. Homeowners who fail to maintain insurance may have force-placed insurance imposed by the lender, which is often more expensive and provides less coverage. Homeowners should also consider long-term risk mitigation strategies such as reinforcing roofs, installing storm shutters, upgrading plumbing and electrical systems, and maintaining a defensible space against wildfires. Preventative measures can reduce the likelihood of claims and qualify homeowners for insurance discounts. In summary, homeowners insurance is an essential safeguard against financial loss, offering protection for the home, personal belongings, and liability risks. Understanding coverage options, policy types, and factors affecting premiums helps homeowners make informed decisions. Regular policy reviews, adequate coverage limits, and risk mitigation strategies enhance financial security and ensure comprehensive property protection.